Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about DIY projects that you can easily do at home. Whether you're looking to get crafty, decorate your space, or make something useful, these projects are fun and simple. Let's get started. First, DIY picture frames. Custom picture frames are a great way to display your favorite photos and add a personal touch to your home. You can use materials like old wooden planks, cardboard, or even popsicle sticks. Decorate them with paint, glitter, or fabric to match your style. Upcycle old furniture. Give your old furniture a new life with some paint and creativity. Sand down wooden pieces and repaint them in a new color, or add stencils and patterns for a unique look. You can also reupholster chairs with new fabric to refresh their appearance. Make your own candles. Homemade candles are a wonderful DIY project that also makes great gifts. All you need is some wax, wicks, and containers. You can add essential oils for fragrance and dye for color. Experiment with different molds and scents to create custom candles. Create a photo collage wall. Gather your favorite photos, print them out, and create a collage on a blank wall. You can arrange them in a grid pattern, heart shape, or any design you like. Use washi tape, string, or clipboards to display your photos creatively. Build a planter box. If you love gardening, building your own planter box is a fun project. You can use wood, bricks, or even old crates. Customize the size and shape to fit your space and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. Design your own tote bags. Plain tote bags can be easily customized with fabric paint, markers, or iron-on patches. Create your own designs, patterns, or quotes to make a one-of-a-kind bag that shows off your personality. Make homemade soap. DIY soap making is a fun and practical project. You'll need soap base, molds, and any additives like essential oils, dried flowers, or colors. Melt the soap base, mix in your additives, pour into molds, and let them set. You'll have beautiful, custom soaps in no time. Create a bulletin board. Stay organized with a DIY bulletin board. Use a corkboard or a piece of foam board as the base. Cover it with fabric or paint and add pushpins, clips, and other decorations. Use it to pin up notes, photos, and reminders. Personalize your phone case. Give your phone case a unique look by decorating it yourself. You can use paint, stickers, glitter, or even decoupage techniques to create a custom design that stands out. Make a terrarium. Terrariums are small, indoor gardens that are easy to make and maintain. Use a glass container, add some small plants, pebbles, and soil. Arrange the plants creatively to create your own miniature garden. That's it for today's DIY projects you can try at home. If you have any other DIY ideas or projects you've enjoyed, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative videos. Happy crafting!